Everyone assumes car washes are money printers. I own one. It generates $20,000 in profit every month. But the business model is nothing like what you expect. Before we talk profit, let's talk cost. A modern automatic car wash is a $350,000 to $500,000 investment. The land, building, and equipment all cost serious money up front. The property alone was $150,000. Then you need commercial zoning, permits, and plumbing. City approval took 4 months and cost $12,000 just in fees and engineering. The main tunnel washer machine cost $85,000. The conveyor system, dryers, and water reclaim system added another $60,000. This is not a DIY weekend project. So how does it make money? Most people think it's the $12 single wash. That's actually the least profitable part of the entire business model. 70% of my monthly revenue comes from memberships, $29.99 per month for unlimited washes. Customers sign up and forget to cancel. That's predictable income. I currently have 820 active members. That's $24,578 guaranteed every month before we wash a single car. Banks love this because it's recurring revenue. The other big money comes from upsells. Tire shine for $3, ceramic wax for $15, and interior detailing for $40. The average ticket jumps from $12 to $22. Add single washes, memberships, and upsells together, and gross revenue is about $38,000 per month. Now let's subtract the real operating costs. Rent for this 1-acre corner lot is $4,000 monthly. Insurance is $900. The water bill averages $2,600 because we use 50,000 gallons every month. Electricity to run pumps, dryers, and lights 14 hours a day is $1,900. Soap and chemicals cost another $800. Equipment breaks and maintenance is $600. Payroll is the biggest expense. I have 4 employees at $16 an hour. With taxes and workers' comp, that's $8,400 every month to keep the place running. When you add rent, utilities, payroll, and supplies, total monthly operating expenses are $18,300. And we haven't paid the bank loan yet. The $360,000 startup loan costs $3,600 per month for 10 years at 7% interest. So real monthly costs are $21,900 before owner profit. $38,000 revenue minus $21,900. Expenses leaves $16,100. That's profit, but not $20,000 yet. The last $3,900 comes from other income streams. First, vending machines. We sell air fresheners, towels, and drinks. Second, the vacuum and air machines take quarters. That's $1,200 of passive income. Third, I sell detailing supplies wholesale to other washes. And fourth, I charge $500 to consult people who want to open their own car wash. Those 4 extra streams add about $3,900 per month. Now, total profit is $20,000, but it took 22 months to reach this number. Here's why 80% of new car washes fail. They underestimate water, labor, and maintenance costs. They also pick the wrong location with no traffic. Location is everything. You need 30,000 cars per day on the road, easy entrance, and no competitors within 2 miles. Real estate makes or breaks you. You also must reinvest. Customers expect new technology. If your dryers are weak or soap is cheap, they go to the competitor down the street. Seasonality matters too. Winter and rainy months drop revenue by 30%. Summer is peak. You need cash reserves to survive the slow months. So is it worth it? If you have $400,000 and can survive 2 years of losses, yes. The membership model creates real wealth over time. But this is not a side hustle. This is a full-time business with employees, regulations, and big debt. Don't start one with credit card debt. The real secret isn't washing cars, it's building systems, recurring revenue, and multiple locations. One wash makes $20,000. 5 washes make $100,000. Comment what business you want me to break down next. Subscribe, because next week I'm exposing why gas stations make almost zero profit from gas.